Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video tutorial we are going to find the sum of this number. Okay, let's say this number is equal to a. Okay, so then find the sum of a. So now we have 5 in common, and then we will get 1 plus 1 1 plus 1 1 and 1 plus dot dot plus. So here is 9 times of 5. Okay, so then you will get 1 for 9 times as well. If you want to add this by a simple method, which is using like 1 1 1 1, okay, and then we take 1 1 for 8 times. All right, and we draw like this, and then 7 times, and then 6 times, and then 5 times, and then 4 times, 3 times, and then 2 times, and 1 time. Okay, and we add this together, so we will get 9 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 and 1. Okay, so then the answer here will get 5 times with 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. Okay, so now we just take 5 divided by 2 and then times with 2. Okay, like this, and then times with 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So that will be 10 times 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 over 2. Then we will get 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0 divided by 2. Okay, so it is easy for us now. We can just divide by 2, then we will get 6 1 7 2 8 3 9 4 and 5. That is the answer. Okay, so finally we have solved this problem, and I hope you can understand it easily. And thank you so much for watching, and goodbye. See you in the next video.